you tired of water pooling on your gazebo after heavy rain? Meet the Dune 4WD anti-ponding bar kit. This is the perfect solution to keep your gazebo structurally sound and in top condition. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the key features, show you how it helps prevent water damage, and demonstrate just how simple it is to set up. This kit ensures you enjoy a worry-free outdoor experience no matter the weather. Let's start with what makes the Dune 4WD anti-ponding bar kit such an essential accessory. There's an innovative design with two armed grooves which fit perfectly onto the inside corners of the gazebo. So this then creates a gentle slope which encourages the water to run off rather than pool on the top of your gazebo. This simple yet effective design helps maintain the structural integrity of your gazebo in all types of weather. So let's take a look at how easy it is to install the Dune 4WD anti-ponding bar kit. The Dune 4WD anti-ponding bar kit is a smart and essential accessory for anyone who owns a gazebo. It's easy to install, it's lightweight, and it's designed to keep your gazebo in great shape no matter the weather. Protect your outdoor space with this accessory and enjoy stress-free relaxation on your next camping adventure.